Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now. See, there is not much to say in the chart of Euro JPY, so I do not want to stretch the video at all. Okay, so I'll just talk to the point. So listen to me carefully. So first of all, after this huge uprun on the chart of Euro JPY, you can see that the correction is still going on. And as we all know, until and unless we get an inverted V pattern, we cannot consider it as a trend reversal. So we do not have a V pattern yet, inverted V pattern yet. So therefore, we will still consider this as a correction in the market. So for us, the market is still in uptrend and we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for the last couple of years, then you can think about selling or shorting opportunities. But beginners, new traders, please stick to the discipline and please follow the overall trend of the market so that you do not make any big mistake. Okay, so first of all, just keep in mind that in this correction we do not have much opportunities right now, and the safest trading opportunity that I see is taking a buy position at the weekly support of 131.10 to 130.50. we have a support from the weekly chart at this particular level, and moreover we also have got Fibonacci retracement level of 50%. Yes, it is also a Fibonacci retracement level. So just keep your eyes on the chart of Euro JPY. You can also set an alert. Yes, you can also set an alert at 130.50 level, so that once Euro JPY comes down to the level of 130.50, 130.60 level, you will get the notification that yes, the time has come. Okay, and once Euro JPY will be in the zone here, just observe the price, just observe the market and see how the price is reacting, how the price is doing. If you see price is bouncing from the support zone, then you will get the clear-cut confirmation that yes, this is a valid support for the market and you can take a buy. So wait for the perfect opportunity. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So my dear friends, let the market come down to the weekly support level of 131 to 130.50, and this is also the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So if market comes down and bounces from here, that can be the safest trading opportunity, okay, for the chart of Euro JPY. Right now, see, right now we also have Euro JPY standing at a temporary support zone here. Yes, it looks like that we have a temporary support zone at 131.50. if you want, if you have been trading, if you can afford to take some risk, you can take a buy position on Monday if market goes up from here. Okay, but on the other hand, if you are a new trader, beginner, cannot afford to take any risk right now, then this is not the ideal position. Your ideal position will be at this particular level only. If market bounces, go for buy. And on the other hand, if you want to take a risk right now, okay, you can see market temporarily taking a support here at 131.50. if market bounces on Monday, then you can go for buy, but just make sure that you are following proper risk management and please do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So always use proper risk management, and if you're looking for safe opportunities, then wait for the market to come down and bounce from this level only. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.